This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus versus the iPhone X or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone. Now the Galaxy S8 Plus, this one is rocking the Snapdragon 835, 4 gigs of RAM, but this one, I just received the Android 8.0 Oreo OTA, so this one's rocking Samsung Experience 9. And the iPhone X is rocking the A11 Bionic chip, and this one's running iOS 11.3. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on the iPhone X, and I'm gonna go ahead and clear the background on the S8 Plus. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh. Messaging. The camera. Ooh, very similar on both. Calculator. Nice and smooth. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store and App Store, go. Give this to the S8 Plus. Go ahead and search for Lyft. Leave it on this page. eBay on both phones. Give this to the S8 Plus. Go ahead and click on this flashlight. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. S8 Plus. Speed test app. Go ahead and start with the iPhone X first. Check out the scores for yourself. Samsung Internet Browser and Safari, go. Search for Amazon. Let's go. Give this to the S8 Plus. Go ahead and scroll on the iPhone X. Give you an idea of the browsing experience. Amazon.com, full site, go. Give this to the iPhone X. Go ahead and pinch to zoom on this to give you an idea and leave it on that page. Super Mario Run. Loading on the S8 Plus, followed by the iPhone X and the S8 Plus taking this one. Go ahead and tap to begin and close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Iceland, loading on the S8 Plus, but the iPhone X with the comeback. Go ahead and tap to play, close it out. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands, loading on both. And looks like the iPhone X here is slightly out in front. We'll find out right now. And give this to the iPhone X. Go ahead and tap to play, close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. And the S8 Plus out in front, but will the X catch up? No, it does not. And give this slight advantage to the S8 Plus. Very close though. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And I think the S8 Plus is out in front here. And give this win to the S8 Plus. Twitter on both phones. S8 Plus. And iPhone X lagging there a little bit. And Snapchat. S8 Plus again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Twitter, ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas,
5 years on the East Coast.
ready to resume. Angry Birds 2, ready to play. Temple Run 2, ready to resume as well. Subway Surf. This game also ready to resume on both phones. Super Mario Run. And this game is continuing, as you can see. And what is the iPhone X doing? Okay, a little bit of a lag there. The internet browsers. Still at the same place. Speed test app. And ooh, a little bit of a reload here on the left. Acrobat Reader. Okay, a little bit of a stutter here on the left again. eBay app. A little bit of a stutter here on the S8 Plus, but it remembered the page. App Store and Play Store. Still at the same place. Clock on both. Stopwatch still running in the background. Calculator on both. Same place, a little bit of a stutter here on the left. The camera. There you have it. Messaging. There you go. And the phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this classic matchup between Samsung and Apple. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone X with this notch up top? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking the new S9, S9 Plus, Note 8? Or are you still sticking with your S8 and S8 Plus now that it has Android Oreo? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.